morning and welcome back to Miss Audrey's Playhouse. We're going to have fun today. Good morning. Good morning. How are you and you today? Good morning. Oh, good morning. I'm glad you came to learn, stay and play. We're going to do a couple of things today. We're going to have circle time. Stay and play. How everybody doing? Well, let's say hello. How are you? Hello. How are you? Hello. How are you? How are you this morning? I am fine and I hope you are too. I am fine and I hope you are too. I am fine and I hope you are too. I hope you are too this morning. Okay, let's go to our calendar. I'm going to pull you over because we're going to be in our blue house today. And let's move the camera around a little bit more. Okay, what month is it? Did somebody say April? That's correct. It is April. So let's do our days of the week. Are you ready? Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. What day of the week is it today? Today is Monday. Shout hooray! Today is Monday. And if we come down on our calendar, you'll see a 2 and a 7 for 27. So we're going to mark that off. Can you help me count the days of the week? I know it's a big number, but guess what? I know you can do it. Let me get my ruler. Okay, are we ready to count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. Give yourselves a hand. You did it. I know you could. So now we're going to walk over to our red calendar. Well, not our red calendar, our red house with our alphabet chart. And we're going to do our alphabet song. Okay? Are you ready? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? That's our ABC song. But let's look at our alphabet chart. I want to say hi to some of my friends, and I want to see if you can guess your letter. Look at this one. This is the letter A. Who name in classroom 3 starts with an A? Alondra. Hi, Alondra. What letter is that? Right, that's a C. C for Carlos. Here's another letter. That's the letter D. D for David, Dylan H, Dylan C. Hi guys, how you doing? Oh, we have the letter J. Who is the J for? Yes. Hi Jacob. Hi Jaden. Oh, that's the letter what? M. M for Matthew. Hi Matthew. What letter is this? N. N for Nyla. What letter is this? O. O for Oven. Hi, Ovi. What letter is this? R. Right. R for Regina. Hi, Regina. What letter is this? S. S for Samantha and Sophia. Samantha told me hi, and I was supposed to get back with her, and I forgot. But Samantha, I'm going to call you. Hi, Samantha. Bye. So that's all of our 15 friends in classroom 3. I also have some other friends watching me too. So, hi, Xavier and Kavar. Hi. Okay, now we're going to do a little story. So I'm going to move you back and we're going to sit down for a little story. Okay? All right, going to put some music on as we make our little transition. Everybody likes story time. I do. I love story time. So let's see what story we are going to do today. Going to get my chair and my book. Be right back. Okay, that didn't take long, did it? Okay, our story today is entitled One Windy Day. And it's a scholastic story by Tammy Salzoni. One windy day. Wet. What? Let's see. Is this page 1? No. Let's start back at the first page. Okay, here we go. Page 1. Fox loves the wind, but today, one windy day means up, look at the letter, down. Uh-oh, it's flying around. It also means wet. Oh no. And dry. Look like Ducky got it out the water. Left, look at it flying, and right. The wind is blowing the letters all over the place. High. Can you reach that? And it also means low. The letter came down low. That's a good opposite word too. High, the opposite of high is low. Near. Near. And far. Far. It also means over. Look at the gate. The letter went over and under. Over the gate, under the gate. Light. Dark. Open. Closed. Bear looks happy with this letter, doesn't she? Fox loves windy days. Thank you. Looked like Fox had a windy day. His letters went all over the place, but he's glad he had his friends to help him catch the letters. The end. Who were some of the characters in the story? Fox. There was a duck. Who else was in the story? There was a bear, right? One windy day. The end. Okay, now we're going to do freeze dance, but we're going to do it just a little different today. And I want you to get down on the floor, on the sofa, off the sofa, on the floor. You need some space so you can move around. And I'm going to show you the dance with Jack Hartman. He's a good guy who wrote a lot of dance and music. So we're going to look at him on YouTube while you dance and follow him. It's going to be animal action today, okay? All right, so I'm going to move the camera around so you can see it, okay? All right. Let's make sure you can see it. Okay, I'm going to be exercising with you guys as well. Uh-oh. Let's move this out of the way. There we go.
Move your lion paws.
Come on, move your lion paws.
Move your monkey arms. Swing.
Swing.
Move your eagle wings. Fly.
Come on, you can do it.
Move your head, hips and knees. And do the animal dance and freeze.
Freeze, everybody.
Dance like a cheetah. Run, run. Dance like a cheetah. Run, run. Dance like a cheetah with me. Dance like a cheetah and freeze.
Freeze, everybody. Oh, don't move.
Dance
Now
like
you can
an
move.
elephant. Stomp, stomp. Dance like an elephant. Stomp, stomp. Dance like an elephant with me. Dance like an elephant and freeze.
Freeze, everybody. Don't move.
Dance
Now
like
you
a
can move.
giraffe. Stretch, stretch. Dance like a giraffe. Stretch, stretch. Dance like a giraffe with me. Dance like a giraffe and freeze.
Freeze.
Move your lion paws. Roar.
Roar.
Your monkey arms. Swing.
Swing.
Your eagle wings. Fly. Move your head, hips and knees. And do the animal dance and freeze. Dance like a crocodile. Chomp, chomp. Dance like a crocodile. Chomp, chomp. Dance like a crocodile with me. Dance like a crocodile and freeze. Dance like a gorilla. Thump, thump. Dance like a gorilla. Thump, thump. Dance like a gorilla with me. Dance like a gorilla and freeze.
Freeze, everybody.
Dance like a snake. Slither, slither. Dance like a snake. Slither, slither. Dance like a snake with me. Dance like a snake and freeze.
Come on, freeze.
Move your lion paws. Roar. Move your monkey arms. Swing. Move your eagle wings. Fly. Move your head, hips and knees. And do the
Freeze! All right. Did you guys enjoy that? All right. So now what we're going to do. Oh, it still wants to play. Did you enjoy the animal freeze? I'm sure you did. So that's it for our circle time today. Bye.